Very fine, sir. Very fine.
Very good. So we are going online.
Yes, sir.
Is this your first interview or second interview with me?
Sir, this is my second interview.
Very good. Excellent. Which date you have your interview with the Federal Bank?
Sir, tomorrow, sir. 10th of August by 3 p.m.
Acha. Which place?
Sir, Kerala, Kottayam.
Kottayam. Good, good, good.
Yes,
Very,
sir.
very good. So please tell me briefly about yourself.
Sir, my name is Shambhunath. I'm coming from Malappuza, Kerala. Currently, I'm working as a development officer in LIC.
Oh,
Yes, sir. Before joining LIC, I have been working as an LDC in Defense Department. I have completed my master's in commerce from Mahatma Gandhi University in 2019. I have completed my graduation in commerce in 2015. My strengths are I'm a hardworking person. I'm an empathetic and I'm very patient and I always adapt to new changes. Also, my hobbies are playing outdoor sports, and I am also a shuttle champion in the recently conducted competition in LIC.
oh, very
Yes,
good,
sir.
very good. So you have been with
Yes.
LIC for nearly 2 years.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have a 2.5 year work experience, and I am a confirmed development officer.
When you speak in interview, don't tell I am a
Yes, sir.
confirmed development officer. There is no need, because when you are telling I am a confirmed development officer, you are indicating a message that, sir, I am permanent employee. So then they will start questioning whether you are interested in coming to them or not.
Okay.
Yeah, so that is why
Okay, sir.
you have to be very careful. 1 minute, I will just drink.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
You are married?
No, sir.
Oh, what about your parents?
Sir, my father is a businessman. He's dealing with gold finance, and my mother is a retired teacher, and I have a brother. He's working as an associate in LIC Housing Finance in Madurai, and he has a wife. She's an online tutor, and they are having a kid of 6 months old.
Acha. Elder brother. Very good, very good. Excellent.
Yes.
Thank
you, sir.
You said your father is into gold loan.
Yes, sir. Gold loan business.
That means he is giving it himself, or he is helping people get gold loan from other sources.
No, sir. He's an entrepreneur. He has his own business.
Oh, but what are
Yes.
the risks involved in this? How much has he been able? But don't tell the exact amount, not required. Please tell me what are the problems experienced by him in this gold loan business?
First of all, the main problem is the collection, the return back of collection of funds from the customers. It's a big problem that he is facing. That is the first problem. We need to even there are a larger amount of bad debts that have been is been facing. First thing is that. Second thing is we can't rely completely on gold as the value will be fluctuating. So it is also a risk factor there. Then we can't relay the business in a particular way that the income every month will be absolutely volatile. We can't predict 1 month business. We can't that this is average business because it may vary upon different situations.
You said that there is NPA and not recovered.
Yes, sir.
But then how is he? What is the methodology he is adopting to recover? Is he giving notice like our banks?
Yes, sir. Yes. He is think that before if the gold loan is giving for 6 months, after 4 months he'll be issuing a notice, and they will be keep on calling that the loan amount will be pending only for 2 months. You have to repay the amount, And after that, after we have only one thing that we have the gold as the mortgage, and even we will give one more month as a grace period. After that, we will be selling that gold. There is no other option. But sometimes, if there may be personal relations, so we may be we may be granting some extra funds to the maybe some on personal matters. So it may be a huge risk by issuing like that. So as part of survival, we need to do something like that also.
Good.
In such businesses.
No, but one mistake you did. Gold is
Yes,
not mortgaged.
Okay.
But it is there is another name for that charge created to the loan lender. What is the name of that charge?
Sorry, sir.
You are a development officer. You must be knowing it. See, when the LIC policy holders, they take a loan from LIC, what is the charge they are creating?
Loan charges. That's what we call for loan charges. If the policy is getting surrendered, then we'll be issuing as surrender charges. Other than there won't be no such charges.
Legally, it is known as assignment.
Yeah, yes, sir. Assignment, yes, sir. Okay. Assigning. Okay. Yes, sir.
Similarly, in the case of gold loan, what is the charge created? It is not mortgage, so it is not lien. So what is it? Say, I'm not willing to give you that word. You must get that word because you are a development officer. Development manager or officer?
Officer, sir.
Officer. So now I will give you, this is how a shopkeeper also takes a loan from a bank by giving it as security. The goods are kept under lock and key inside a godown. And there also same type of charge is created. This is one type of charge. Another type of charge is in respect of, say, the vehicle loan, where the vehicle is in the hands of the customer only, but charge created in favor of the bank or the lender. So what is that called, and what is this called? I think you have not studied. Even if you have not studied, you are not remembering. That is known as.
Sir, I have studied, but I am not at all getting what.
The word starts for gold security. The word starts with the letter P. And for the vehicle, the word starts with the letter H. Pledge.
Pledge, and it's in vehicle. It stands for pledging gold loan, and H for what?
Hypothecation.
Hypothecation. Okay, sorry, sir.
It doesn't matter.
Sorry.
I asked.
I'm aware of the word pledge. I haven't get, but hypothecation, that I was not aware.
Hypothecation is a charge created in terms of vehicle. So what happens when the vehicle is registered in the name of the borrower? The name of the bank will be added as a hypothecatee. It will be entered in the RC book, so that the owner cannot sell it without adjusting bank loan.
Yes, sir. Yes. Okay.
And in case he is not giving the loan properly, bank will take possession of the property.
Okay.
So this is what is known as, that is okay. And regarding pledge, it is very simple. Whatever you want to give as security, you give it to the person, and say he will take it with him. And if you are not repaying the loan, he will give a notice and then bring it for sale. But the process is cumbersome. It takes time. And but only thing is, when we do business, we should not mix up, as you rightly said, personal relations with business.
Yes, sir.
Supposing you are giving, your father is giving loan to your uncle. and uncle
Okay.
is not repaying, then
Yes, sir.
if he is going to sell it, your mother will get angry over father.
Yes, sir.
So this type of problems will be there. So that
Yes, sir.
should be kept care of. Namely, you should, the business is different,
Yes, sir.
personal relations are different.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Now we saw about pledge. Very good. Now let us come to the basic. I cannot avoid this question. I asked you other day also. I am not now going into that question again. Why are you leaving LIC? Why do you want to come
Okay.
here? What you can do here more than others? Can you tell me?
Yes, sir. Comparing to others, I have a 2-year work experience in sales field. Even if I got an appointment in bank, there will be third-party products which may be bank assurance, maybe loans. I'm a well-experienced person who is who continuously interacted with different types of customers. It may be common man, it may be salaried people, it may be business, it may be high net worth individuals. I am a well experienced man from these two. The result, that experience result is my last 2 years performance that I have completed my 2-year target from that. So I am pretty confident that I can do more. I can provide more productivity to the bank.
Very good. Now, one point for you is that when you go for interview, what is the type of dress you are going to wear?
Formal, sir. Formals.
That is a full arm shirt.
Yes, a full of shirt and neck.
Tie also.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Very good. And
yes,
now you appear very tired. I don't know. Maybe you attended office today.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's right.
I can see your tiredness in your face. When you go, you must go very active, very brilliant.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure. I just reached by 4:30. As the interview was scheduled by 5, I left office by early, so I just reached by half an hour ago.
No
so
problem.
that's why.
No problem. Good. Now come
Yes,
to can you tell something about the latest monetary policy committee's recommendations or implementation?
The latest monetary policies has implemented to increase the repo rate from 4.9 to 5.40 to control the increasing inflation. Then the major then another major change is no, there's no change in repo rate. Repo rate stands as still. That is I think.
No. The repo rate has been revised to 5.40. Bank rate has been revised to 5.65. MSF rate has been revised to 5.65. Standing deposit facility stands at 5.15, 0.25% less than that.
Yes, sir.
And reverse repo rate remains same as 3.35.
3.35.
Reverse repo rate remains as 3.35.
35.
Yeah.
Yes,
so
sir.
These things you should memorize, mug up, you should know it. Very good. Now there can be questions like, say, what are the new schemes LIC is now bringing?
LIC is bringing the new campaign was the introduction of Ananda application. Before the Ananda era, there will be lot of papers regarding a one proposal. There will be KYC norms. There will be proposal forms. There will be agents application forms. So for a single policy, there will be around 20 to 25 papers will be needed for a single proposal. So after the introduction of there won't be any paper is missing as the agent will be getting a login ID and password. They can complete a policy or proposal within that form only.
Oh, very good. It's a new thing. That means I don't have to fill up any big forms and all that.
Yes, sir. Definitely, sir. After the introduction of Ananda, but there are certain limits, sir. 50 up to 50 lakhs is under non-medical categories can only, there is a limit for, sir, every category. For non-medical, there will be 50 lakhs.
Not for everybody. For example,
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Supposing I stay abroad now, can I take a life policy by sitting here?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. My medical is mandatory for an NRI person, sir.
So the government is very clever, very good. Now I want to make a statement.
Okay.
LIC is a competitor for banks. What is your take on this?
LIC is a sir. Yes, when it comes to the third party products of banks, LIC is definitely a big competitor. But as far as the principal business of the bank is lending loans and accepting the deposits. But when it comes to third party products, of course, LIC is a competitor for the bank.
No. You see, LIC is competitor to some extent because LIC takes away money from us for its policies. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes.
When we go for that is one thing. And of course, LIC is not otherwise directly competitive because they are not having savings bank account, they are not having current account and all that. And
yes, sir, they don't have any such deposits.
I may not be.
All the investments are related to life cover.
I may not be surprised if LIC, but of course, they are satisfying their need for having a bank by investing more in IDBI bank.
IDBI bank, yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Now, can you tell me what is a public sector bank and what is a private sector bank?
Sir, if the government owns more than 50% of the share of the bank, then it can be called as a public sector bank. The majority of shares was handled by private parties, then it can be called as a private sector bank.
Majority means how many shares? How much?
More than 50%. More than 50%.
Very good. Can you name leading private sector banks in our country?
Sir, HDFC, ICICI, South Indian Bank, Federal Bank, Axis Bank.
Very good. Can you name the which bank do you have an account?
Sir, I have an account with I have 3 accounts actually. My first account was Federal Bank. My first account was from Federal Bank. My second account was from State Bank of India. My third account is currently as I'm working in LIC. I have an account in IDBA also. My salary account is currently in IDBA.
Oh, good.
Yes, sir.
Who is the chairman or CEO of our Federal Bank?
Shyam Srinivasan, sir.
Very good. What are your strengths, please?
Sir, my strength is I'm a very hardworking person. As my job demands, I was relocated to an unknown place, and I need to recruit from the public. That was my job role. So I was forced to interact with the strange people, and I have succeeded in that role. So I need to work very hard to be confirmed and to achieve that target. So I am very confident that I am a hardworking person. Also, I have the leadership quality because in my unit I have 35 agents. And they are working, and there is 2 securities in my unit. So I believe that I have made my team to a greater unit. So I believe that I have a better leadership quality. Also, I got the opportunity to handle the different complaints from the customer regarding claims or policies. So I'm an empathetic person also. I tried to convince what was empathetic, and I tried to convince what actually matters to the customers also.
Very
so that I consider it as my strength also.
Sufficient. You should talk slightly briefly. I am having more time at my disposal. I am talking to you. They won't have this much time. But of course, if you talk more, they will ask more questions. But when you talk more, sometimes you tell more than what is needed, and you land yourself into problems. I think I told you that day also. No.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, you told that.
Yeah. Now, whatever strengths you tell, immediately you also mention about positive attitude.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Somewhere, some words, optimistic. or positive attitude you must tell.
Positive.
Can you tell about
Okay,
the
sure, sir. Sure.
Federal Bank financials?
Federal Bank Financial. Federal Bank is having a market capitalization of 23,052 crores, sir. In the last quarter results, there is a 63% of increase.
64.
64. Okay, sorry, sir. Okay, 64% of increase, which boomed from
64% increase as what? In quarter to quarter or year on year?
Quarter to quarter, sir.
Year to year on year.
Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry. Year to year. Sorry.
Year on year. That means the profit made
to last year.
Profit made during the first quarter of 2021 and first quarter of 2022 difference.
Okay, sir. Okay. From 397 crores to 600.6 crores.
601.
600.6 crores, sir.
Okay, correct. 600.6 or 600. In the press release, they have told us 601 crore. Doesn't matter. Good.
Okay.
Yeah. Now tell me, what are the other points you remember about Federal's financials? They have asked today in one interview. They have asked this question. Tell me. No. Actually, listen. Actually, for this question, you have to tell total deposits, total advances, then GNPA percentage, NNPA percentage. Then you should tell about what is that? CRAR. CASA ratio, CRAR.
Okay.
What is the CASA ratio of our bank?
CASA ratio is 36.84, sir.
Now, why banks are running after CASA?
Sir, it is the cheapest way to obtain and maintain the funds, as banks need to pay only a mere percentage as interest for savings, and there is no need for paying interest for current accounts, as they will be maintained mostly by businessmen for their other facilities. So that's why banks having a better CASA ratio will be much more operational.
Achha. What are your hobbies? Please talk to me in Malayalam. No, because they are sometimes asking people to talk in Malayalam also. So be ready. Be ready for this question. I know I will not understand you. I know what you are thinking. I will not understand, but still you talk in Malayalam. I can estimate from there. Are you talking with confidence? Are you talking with meaning, with clarity?
Okay.
I can find out. So please tell me, what are your hobbies?
Sir, in Malayalam, right?
Yeah.
സാർ, ഞാൻ ചെറുപ്പകാലം മുതൽ സ്പോർട്സിൽ വളരെ താല്പര്യമുള്ള ഒരു വ്യക്തിയാണ്. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും പ്രത്യേകിച്ച് തന്നെ ഔട്ട്ഡോർ സ്പോർട്സ് ചെറുപ്പകാലങ്ങളിൽ മുതൽ ഞാൻ ഫുട്ബോളിനായിക്കോട്ടെ, ക്രിക്കറ്റിനായിക്കോട്ടെ തുടങ്ങിയ കാര്യങ്ങളിൽ വളരെ ആക്റ്റീവ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു വ്യക്തിയായിരുന്നു. ഞാൻ +2 കാലയളവിൽ ആലപ്പുഴ ഡിസ്ട്രിക്ട് ടീമിൽ ബൗളറായിട്ട് ഞാൻ ഇടം നേടിയ വ്യക്തിയാണ്. അതിനുശേഷം ജോലിപരമായിട്ടും ബാക്കിയുള്ള കാര്യങ്ങളുടെ തിരക്ക് മൂലം എനിക്ക് ഫുട്ബോൾ, ക്രിക്കറ്റ് തുടങ്ങിയ പ്രൊഫഷണൽ കളികളിലേക്ക് ശ്രദ്ധ കേന്ദ്രീകരിക്കാൻ ഒരു സാഹചര്യം ഇല്ലാത്തതിനാൽ ഇതിനോടുള്ള താല്പര്യം ഉള്ളത് കൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഷട്ടിലിലേക്ക് എന്റെ ശ്രദ്ധ കേന്ദ്രീകരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. അതിനുശേഷം ഞാൻ എത്ര തിരക്കുണ്ടെങ്കിലും ഞാൻ ഈ ഒരു ഗെയിമിനോടുള്ള താല്പര്യം കൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ അതിലേക്ക് കൂടുതൽ ഇൻവോൾവ് ആയിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പം തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും അതിന്റെ ഭാഗമായിട്ട് എനിക്ക് റീസെന്റ് നടന്ന LICയിലുള്ള ഡിവിഷണൽ ലെവൽ ഷട്ടിൽ ചാമ്പ്യൻഷിപ്പിൽ എനിക്ക് വിന്നർ ആവാൻ പറ്റി. സോ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഔട്ട്ഡോർ സ്പോർട്സ് തന്നെയാണ് എന്റെ ഹോബി. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും അതിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഞാൻ എപ്പോഴും എത്ര തിരക്കുണ്ടായാലും ഞാൻ എന്റെ ജീവിതത്തിന്റെ ഒരു ഭാഗം അതിലേക്ക് മാറ്റുമെന്ന് എനിക്ക് വിശ്വാസമാണ്, സർ.
Good. Now,
yes, thank you, sir.
Rapid fire quiz.
Okay, sir.
Rapid fire quiz.
Okay, sir.
Name the Vice President of India.
Thankar, sir. Thankar.
No. But today it is only Mr. Venkaya Naidu. From
Dinesh.
tomorrow only, Jagdeep Dhankar.
Jagdeep Thankar.
From tomorrow. Who was
Okay,
the
okay,
opposition candidate?
Margaret Ivy, sir.
Margaret Alba.
Margaret
Alba. A-L-V-A.
Alba. Margaret Alba.
She is from which state?
Sir,
Karnataka.
sorry,
She is from Karnataka.
Karnataka. Okay,
Our vice president is from which state?
Sorry, sir.
Rajasthan. Our vice
Rajasthan,
president is from Rajasthan. And what is his profession? Lawyer.
Lawyer. Okay.
What was he earlier? What was he earlier? He was a West Bengal governor.
He was West Bengal. Okay, sir.
And what is his family? Agricultural family.
Okay.
All these things we are seeing only from the advertisements or news reports.
Okay,
Good.
sir.
Please tell me what is expansion of NPA?
Non-performing asset, sir.
Tell the name of Finance Minister of Kerala.
T.N. Balagopal.
Tell the Agriculture Minister of Kerala.
Agriculture Minister of Kerala.
Health Minister of Kerala.
Veena George.
Very good. Chief Minister of Kerala.
Pinarayi Vijay.
Governor of Kerala.
That Muslim Governor of Kerala.
Mr. Arif Muhammad Khan.
Arif Mohammed. Yes, sir.
Name the chairman of Federal Bank.
Chairman, sir, Shyam Srinivasan.
Chairman. MD and CEO is Shyam Srinivasan. Chairman is C. Balagopal.
C. Mohan Gopal.
No, Balagopal. Na?
Balagopal.
Please check it up. I'm not sure. You please check it up.
Okay, sir.
Is there anybody online? What is the name of the chairman of our Federal Bank?
Sir, Balagopal.
Yeah, very good. So excellent. You have been answering for the last 27 minutes nicely.
Okay.
Shall I ask some, say, rapid fire questions? Fadafat.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Expand CRR.
Cash reserve ratio, sir.
SLR.
Statutory liquidity ratio.
NEFT.
NEFT, National Exchange for Foreign Transactions.
No. National Electronic Fund Transfer.
National Electronic Fund Transfer. Sorry.
IMPS. Immediate Payment Service. Immediate Payment Service. CTS. It is used in the case of clearing. Check truncation system.
Check truncation system. Okay.
Did you go through the materials I have provided?
Yes, sir. I have provided. I have gone through the materials.
Very good. Very happy.
Okay.
Now, at what age would you like to get married?
Sir, within 2 years, sir.
Why have you not decided to get married now itself? Because you are working in LIC.
Sir, I want to marry when I have that financial stability.
What happened? Don't you have financial stability as development officer of the biggest organization in India, Life Insurance Corporation of India? Anyhow, doesn't matter. These are all for fun questions I asked. Not serious. Not serious.
Okay.
What is your native place?
Native, sir, Alappuzha.
Can you name famous people from your place living now?
Living now, famous people.
Your development officer. Your development officer. You must.
Sir, I am posted. Sir, I am posted in Kottayam.
Acha.
I can mention.
Acha, Kottayam famous people. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Our ex-Chief Minister Umman Chandi, our current MLA Tiruvanjur Radhakrishnan, and our current cinema film related minister Sri K.N. Vasavan. Then there are other actors in the industry also from Kottayam.
Next question.
Okay.
I think that day itself you told me you have not studied insurance exams and all. You why did you not study insurance? Did you study insurance exams?
No, sir. No, sir. Insurance exams, no, sir.
Why are you not? Will you not be getting some increment if you pass those things, or will you not?
No, sir. No, sir. It is applicable only to administrative wing. We are marketing wing. We don't be getting that increment if we pass that exams. So we are a different wing, and we not.
I think they don't want you to spend time in reading and waste. They want they want you to go about running and all that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Achha. Will you be able to participate actively in, say, a public campaign on the road for home loans?
Sure, sir. I have been, sir. Have you asked? I have ever done it, or am I willing?
No. Will you be willing to take it up?
Sure, sir. I have done in LIC for the agency recruitment that a public van. We have conducted campaigns like that. So I'm always willing to do such things.
Achha.
Yes, sir.
चार्जेस फ्री हमारे स्टॉल पे संपर्क करें। जिन भाइयों को लोन की आवश्यकता हो वो पीछे आके संपर्क कर ले। लोन लेना हुआ बहुत आसान। हमारा रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट 8.40।
Now see,
सबसे कम रेट।
Are you seeing now?
8.40 का रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट। Processing fees.
Did you see that?
Yes, sir. I'm willing to do. I'm willing to do, sir, because I have done it before in LIC.
Oh, very good, very good, very good.
Sir, I'm not able to hear, sir. I'm not able to hear.
No. I was just telling you.
Sir, I think there is a problem in your audio. I think it has been muted.
1 minute. I have not. Oh, correct. Now,
no, sir.
Now.
No, sir. I'm not able to hear.
Acha. Oh, 1 minute. Now, are you able to hear me? No. Hello.
Hello, sir.
No? Yeah. Now I can see you. Yeah. Now you are able to hear me?
Yes, sir. I can hear, sir.
Very good. So far, you have been talking very nicely. No problem. Best wishes.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Go ahead
okay,
with.
Sir, thank you.
Go with a lot of. I am posting lot of questions that were asked yesterday in our Telegram page. Please go through them also, because
yes, sir,
they are asking Agriculture Minister also. They were not asking earlier. Now they are asking. Please see that and
sir.
get to know about Chief Ministers of 5 southern states.
Okay, sir.
Governors of 5 southern states.
Okay.
These things and go through today's, yesterday's, tomorrow's newspaper.
Okay, sir. Sure.
Okay, good.
Okay. Thank you.
Best
sir.
wishes. After attending interview, please send me the questions they are asking.
Okay, sure, sir. I will be telling you, sir, what the questions were.
Very good. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
So that was an interview of a candidate who is working in LIC as a development officer. He wants to switch over to Federal Bank, and I have asked him, and he is a commerce background, and he has been answering well. So he is able to answer well because he has got communication ability and he has got experience also. So this is what is needed in order to succeed in Federal Bank interview. Thank you so much. Now I will stop this and go for the next candidate.